So Bitcoin looks like it's ready to rip right now, but we think that you can catch a much better bid for that next big move to $64,000. And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. I got Sean next to me today. Sean, say hello to everybody.
Good morning, everyone, and a happy Monday.
Sean, we have been accused of sounding like wrestling commentators. What do you have to say about that?
I watched wrestling growing up, so I'm going to take that as a compliment.
That's right. So there's a lot of juice that we have to cover today. Now, right off the bat, bullish or bearish on this weekly close?
Bullish. I mean, it's hard not to be bullish over here, but I do think we can gun that much more now for that pullback opportunity trade that we've been talking about.
Exactly, Sean, and you have an update on that trade idea, right?
Yep.
Okay, so Sean's going to be showing you guys exactly where to look for that pullback opportunity. So we're talking about entry and exit. But now remember, guys, what we're about to present to you today is a pullback trade. In tomorrow's video, we'll be going over the breakout trade just in case price decides to run away from us. Okay, so if you do not want to miss that, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell notification icon. That way you don't miss this big move. Now, Sean, let's tell them why we're bullish. Well, we opened a brand new month of July, which means we closed the month of June right here, and that close was spectacular, guys. Spectacular. Now, this is the monthly chart that I have in front of me. Let's go ahead and switch on all the relevant bullish points on this chart. All right, so why are we bullish here? Well, we have reclaimed the 21 exponential moving average. And historically, guys, that has been a very, very important level. When we lost it here back in April of 2022, that was bear market territory. That's what the market was telling us. Hey, prepare for more downside. But now we have reclaimed the 21 exponential with a bullish engulfing candle. How amazing is that? And in addition to that, guys, we have also flipped resistance into support. That level coming in at around $29,458. We had been holding that as overhead resistance since March. Okay, this is the first month that we've actually managed to close over. So that's why this month is looking bullish for now, Sean.
So that monthly candle has reclaimed the 21 EMA, done so with a bullish engulfing, and closed over a major level. On the Discord too, I'd mentioned that, you know what, guys, the market is going to trivialize the importance of this monthly candle close over 29,400. So I'm so glad that you brought it up, Kisha, because that close alone would have made me bullish. But look at the story of that candle alone. Any dip is a bid opportunity.
Exactamundo. Now, in addition to all of this, Sean, there's one more bullish tilt, okay, to Bitcoin, and that is going to be found on the Mango dashboard. Guys, the dashboard has been keeping us on the right side of the trend. You can find this on app.mangoresearch.co, but I want you to go ahead and look at all of the time frames. We are now, once again, officially bullish long across all time frames, from the 4-hour all the way to the weekly time frame. In fact, the weekly
flip long 7 hours ago, guys.
Exactly.
Like everything, the story is being put together for us now, right? Look at the volatility on the 12-hour time frame. Remember, we've been using the 12-hour time frame as a barometer for which direction to position ourselves since the beginning of this year, right? And it has been tremendously accurate, not in just keeping you on the right side of the trade, but in protecting you as well. And now the 12-hour across the board, trend is long, volatility is low, and we have the bullish Ichimoku flag.
So this is looking like a very, very pretty picture for Bitcoin. But now question is, okay, we're bullish. But hey, are we expecting that pump today? You know,
no.
That's the main question. Can we really look for a pump today, right now? Can it do it? All right, gun to my head, I don't think we see a pump until we see a few things play out. Okay, now here's what I'm looking at. Well, if I take you on over to the weekly time frame first, okay, now we just opened a brand new week, all right? What were we looking for initially? We were looking for Bitcoin to clear out cloud resistance overhead, coming in at around 31.3K. That's what my breakout trade was hinged on, if you guys remember. Have we cleared out that level? No, we have not. Still resistance, okay? Still resistance. Now, why was that level important? Because that's not just cloud resistance, guys. That is also historical resistance, okay? 31.3K. Even when we were in the bull run phase, we took out 31.3K and made our way all the way up to $60,000. Got rejected, came back down to get supported once again on 31.3K, bounced right off of it, made our way all the way up to $68,000 this time around. Once again, rejection. Came back down, but this time we lost 31.3K. That basically propelled us into bear market territory. That was telling you that, hey, we are going down. Now, once again, guys, we're up against 31.3K. Can we clear it? Well, we haven't just yet.
Exactly, Krisha. When we lost this level over here at around 31K, we saw the big dump. But since we did bring up the 21 EMA at the beginning of this video, I do want to point something out. Over here, when we did get supported, guys, this support region lined up with the 21 EMA on the monthly getting defended. This break of the support lined up with us losing the 21 EMA somewhere around here at this level. So, losing the 21 EMA was the impetus for us breaking the support. Will now the claim of the 21 EMA be the impetus for us actually breaking the resistance level?
Now, this is to say that, hey, we're bullish, but we are up against resistance, which means that you can get a better bid to the upside. Now, this is actually a brilliant segue into the mango trade of the day. Sean, that pullback trade opportunity,
Yes.
the update, give it to them. Give them the sauce.
Okay, cool. So first, let's go ahead and talk about why are we still waiting for a pullback considering we're so bullish on the higher time frames. Well, let's take us back to the previous videos where we were discussing for 2 videos now this trauma level, right? This bear trap level that has wrecked me so hard in the past. This time we anticipated and we said, hey, we are not going to get fooled this time. And thank God we did that, right? Thank God we were able to use my pain that has had me crying like a baby in the past to protect against this downside move. And we said that we're only going to get constructive for further upside, immediate further upside, if we start seeing multiple 4-hour candles close above this green horizontal line over here, right? Well, let's go back on over to the charts and see whether we have closed multiple 4-hour candles above that green horizontal. And this is the same chart, guys. Same drawings, everything. Have we closed above it? No. In fact, you can see that the market has come up against that level, that same trauma level, that same bear trap level, and has yet again rejected it. We're waiting for multiple 4-hour candle closes above this region, guys. Once we see that, that's when we can mentally start preparing for that big move towards the upside. That's when Krisha's trade setup that she's going to be discussing tomorrow is going to be very useful for all of us. But until we see that, I'm going to be greedy for that downside move, right? Because why not? Why not? If we can capture a better bid, we should be patient for that. We should be mango for that. So where is that bid? Where is that bid opportunity? Well, that takes us back on over to the Mango dashboard. Now, we're looking at the Mango view, guys, Bitcoin on the daily time frame. For those of you who are just joining us, this can be found at app.mangoresearch.co. Bitcoin is completely free, so go ahead and use it. It gives us a bunch of convenience indicators, one-click indicators, right? And we were looking for our bid opportunity, our pullback opportunity on the Ichimoku indicator right over here, right? This red and blue line confluencing now. You guys can see the red on top of the blue. It is in confluence. The Tenkin and the Kijun are both coming in at $28,000. And that is confluenced with the cloud indicator as well, coming in slightly underneath it, also at around $28,000. Now, this is a trade on the daily time frame, right? But we just closed a weekly candle. But what a lot of people may be missing is that this weekly candle also closed a bi-weekly candle, and this bi-weekly candle closed about a major support and resistance level, coming in at $28,000. Right? Look at this structure, guys. Look at this. We have a inverted head and shoulders like structure that broke to the upside with a bull flag like structure breaking past a level that might be giving us the initial clue, initial hint that we are ready to break past your cup and handle neckline. Look at that, guys. We have a cup, we have a handle, and the bi-weekly is telling us that we have already broken past it. So now, Where's that neckline coming in over here? 28,400. Let's go back on over to our mango view. Where's the Tenkan Kijun coming in at? 28,000 as well. So any move, guys, any move down on over to this level over here, guys, is going to be the market making a mistake. Okay, everyone's going to get scared, but the mango community is not going to get scared. We are going to trade and bid this opportunity, because now this does not only become a leverage trade opportunity, this becomes a spot trade opportunity for those of you who are looking to pick up some more spot Bitcoin. Very easy to manage on the higher time frames. You just wait for the bi-weekly to close underneath this level, and we know we are wrong on this trade. But if we are right, we get a big trade opportunity from 28,500-ish all the way to potentially Krisha's cup and handle target level of around 60K, right? But let's not forget our interim target of around $42,000 as well.
Holy mother of God, the confluence on that is insane. What an amazing spot, Sean. I'm pretty blown away because it's the first time I'm seeing it too. But now remember, guys, this is a dynamic trade. As price unfolds, there might be updates to the entries, the exits, the targets, and if you want to keep up to date with that, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell notification icon. That way you do not miss out on this trade opportunity. Sean, damn, like I'm actually really excited looking at this chart. This actually looks like a break of the cup and handle already. This might be the precursor that we're all freaking waiting for.
Guys, Krisha has like the biggest glow on her face right now. You guys should all see her. But hey, remember guys, this is predicated on the market actually making a mistake and giving us that opportunity. If instead we start seeing the market make its way towards the upside, you guys got to get mentally ready for Krisha's breakout trade opportunity, and we will be discussing that in tomorrow's video in more detail, so don't miss that one tomorrow.
Yes sirree. Now this is all we have for you for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, and we will see you in the next update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao you guys.
Ciao.